Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to enter the developer options on that device. So basically, let me show you how to enable the developer settings on the following phone. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, tap apps icon, choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose about. Let's scroll down and choose the software information right here and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back to previous list, and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here you can use the following developer features. For example, if you would like to, you can enable USB debugging right here, tap OK to confirm it. You can use other things, such as you can, for example, choose and enable the Wi-Fi verbose logging. You can enable the show tabs, pointer location, and other stuff as well. So that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.